Good morning, everyone. We are Group 6, and today I'll be telling you about the etiquette rule to give an interview. Whenever you are arriving, call one day first to let them know that you'll be arriving, and also ask them if there are parking spots available or if you need to know about any circumstances that will make you late. Always arrive 10 minutes early, and whenever you are coming from home, keep that in mind that if there will be traffic so that you have to reach on time. Never be late, please, for your interview. Also, whenever you're arriving, ask the receptionist and let them know your whole name and also the one who called you so that he or she knows why you're here and let you guide in the right direction. Whenever you're waiting for the reception, do not fidget or do anything that will make them know that you are impatient or anything like that. If you're reading in a newspaper or a magazine, make sure you fold it as the way you took it for the first place. Don't eat or drink anything when you're waiting for them except for water if you can do coffee, but it will be most likely if you will wait for them to ask for you for the interview, and after you can do anything you want for them. Whenever a person comes, make sure you are greeting them. Also, they can be the interviewer and can be not, so make sure you don't do anything which will make them doubt you, so hiring them. Make sure they ask for a handshake first before you are offered your hand. And also, there's no man or woman or any gender roles in the business environment, so make sure you are not doing anything weird to let them know what is going through in your hand. Also,
2, 3.
as they are leading to you office, make sure you talk small talk. Also, whenever you arrive at the office, make sure you greet everyone present there and be respectful for them. Don't put your bag or anything on the table. Make sure you are not fidgeting, or also don't move a lot in your chair. Just make sure you are comfortable there. Whenever they're talking a lot, let them talk and then finish. Let them finish what they were saying and then continue to do so. After the interview is end, make sure you handshake them all and also greet them again, and let them, if they are exchanging business card, let them first, then you can exchange them. Whenever you are leaving the office, make sure you're thanking the receptionist also. Most offices have their own restaurants and cafe. If the host is leading you towards it, go for it. And whenever you're going for it, make sure you don't overstuff with it. Work from outside to the inside and take small portions for it. Do not overfill yourself and or order any alcohol or something like that. Make sure you lay your napkin flat into your lap before eating it like you're eating in a posh restaurant. If the host is skipping the starter, you have to skip the starter too. If the host is skipping dessert, you have to skip it. So it's really a good etiquette to let them do whatever they want to do first. Also, make sure you're not overeating or talking with your mouth full, anything like that. It makes a really bad impact on yourself.
3.
Thank you. This was all my part. For it will be continuing with my group mate.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Ali Khan, and today I am going to talk about networking techniques. So, networking technique is basically a tool that is utilized in order to communicate with other people. In order to fully utilize this tool, we have to delve deeper into what this tool comprises of. This tool is useful when a company holds a mass interview in which a lot of people gather together and basically have an informal sort of party, and through it the business can select the peers that are most likely to be valuable for their company. Networking techniques consist of three elements. First of them being approachable. So in order to be approachable, you have to have some sort of elements in your style in order to be approachable. So this can be having a big beard is an example of this. Like something that basically attracts someone. Having a shirt, having a cool shirt, having a nice hat. Basically, I know a YouTuber who did this once, and he wore his own shirt and basically his own YouTube shirt, and he was basically advertising himself. So when he went in public, people asked him like, who is this? Do you own a YouTube channel? They were curious about him. So you need to in order to be approachable, you need to have something that people can question you about. And you also need to take in the factor that you need to introduce yourself. You need to be audible. You need to, when you're basically presenting yourself to people, you need to announce your name in a way that everyone can hear it, especially the interviewers, so that they get to know who you are. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to announce it like really loud. You just need to be audible. Like, my name is Ahmed Ali Khan. You need to be audible enough that other people can hear you too, and acknowledge that you are indeed Ahmed Ali Khan. And the second point is to be knowledgeable. You need to look knowledgeable in order to, have an understanding of your audience and keep them engaged with you. If you don't look knowledgeable, they won't be interested in you. So you need to give them a reason to be interested in you, and for that you need to have knowledge for that information. The second point is to be patient, because when you are in a meeting, you tend to want to know more about other people and want to talk more. So you need to be that's a good thing, but you need to also be a good listener, and you need to be patient for others to finish before you start talking. You don't want to interrupt someone else, because that's not a good networking technique. Another key factor that you can use in order to improve your networking skills is by utilizing active listening skills. So you have to avoid face contact. Basically, if you touch your face, this can be a sign of boredom. You need to avoid these in social gatherings. When communicating with a speaker, you must engage them with full attention. You need to have your full focus on them. And to do that, you need to be frontal with them. You need to approach them in a manner that they have your full attention. And you need to be a keen listener for it as well. As far as these expressions goes, we need to utilize sort of expression that tells us that a speaker is genuinely interested in something. But if you utilize this sort of technique, this is not ideal. And also, this is not ideal because this can signal that you're about to basically get tired of someone and go to sleep, basically. And this is how you can utilize networking techniques in order to give an interview. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I am telling you about body language. Body language is an important aspect of interview, and it can greatly impact on impression you make on interviewer to improve your body language. It can be understand a basic animal behavior, as many of visual signals used in interview are related to power, state, and acceptance. The interview looking for are normally the desire to acceptance and safely depend upon a job. The interview may also looking for a leadership skill and fight skills to show that you come in peace. You should use appropriate signal to report, such as shaking hand and smile. During the interview, it is important to avoid like this, twist your fingers, and behavior is also critical. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fazan Haider. I hope you are well. Today I'm talk about work that body. Interview preparation is a critical aspect of landing a job. It is a final step to showcasing your skills and qualification to a potential employer, and making lasting impression in order to increase your chance to success. It is important to prepare not only your mind but also your body before an interview. First and foremost, getting and rest are crucial to preparing your body for an interview. A well rested body is better equipped to handle test and perform. It is a best. And good night sleep will also help feel more energetic and alert, and able to think more clarity. And addition, to rest. It is also important to maintain a healthy diet. Eating food such as fruits and vegetables can provide you with energy you need to perform that will during an interview. Food processing of food can leave you feel anxiety and unable to focus, which can negative impact on in your interview performance. Physical exercise and another important aspect to preparation your body for an interview. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress, increase increase energy level, and improve mental clarity. Physical activities such as jogging, yoga, it help you clear your mind, boost your mindset before an interview. Good grooming is another important aspect of preparing your body care of your personal hygiene. Such as showering, brushing your teeth, and putting on clean clothes, but also means paying attention to your hair. Your overall experiences, or you want to present yourself has polished professional. So take the time to make sure that your hair is neatly styled, and your skin well grooming, and your nails and clean and trimmed. In addition to grooming, it is also important to pay attention your body language. Your body language speak value about your confidence, and can either help you hurt your chance you're handing out the job during an interview. Make sure you maintain to good posture. Make eyes contact, smile, and use gesture, and that your natural and confidence. Avoid nervousness habit, such tapping your feet and playing with your hairs has these can signal lack of the confidence to the interview. And staying your hydrated, you increase your chance to success, and make a lasting impression on your potential employer.